In 2017, two friends dared to dream. We didn't know exactly how or when, but we knew with every fiber of our being that one day we'd reach the moment we'd imagined so many times. Stepping onto a stage in an evening dress as a symbol of everything we'd worked for. She reached that moment in June, and I got to do what I always said I would: make her dress. Not because I've arrived at my own milestone yet, but because I believe in hers just as fiercely as I believe in mine. True friendship means celebrating with your whole heart, even when your own dreams are still unfolding. It means showing up, cheering loudly, and creating something that reflects who she truly is. I chose a teal green fabric that moves like water, fluid and graceful, alive, just like her. I've done this, and now I'm going to cut it out and make it longer. This is my setup. And look, there's a plug over there. So I need to find an extension cord, but I'm ready to start. Look at my view. The design came from knowing her deeply, how she likes to move, what makes her feel radiant, and what she needs to feel powerful and beautiful. I am just doing a running stitch on the side seams, and I've tacked the whole dress because this fabric, as soon as you sew it, it makes holes. And it also pulls sometimes. So this way I know I'm protecting the fabric until I'm ready to make the commitment to sew it all up. It does take a bit longer, but it's also a better way to fit and to make adjustments on my client. I have sewn that. I need to unpick the side seams and sew them. I want to do French seams for the side seams, and then I need to fit the lining, and if it fits right, then I can put the two together, and then it's just the sleeves that needs to go in there. And I need to iron. Ironing is also quite high on the list. And she trusted me with this moment because she knew I see her, and she knows I'll make her look good. This was the time to sew everything after tacking it. Doing French seams, making sure that everything gets sewn into place the way it was pinned and tacked after every fitting. Then ironing on some interfacing around the neckline. This ensures that it holds its shape and does not stretch. And then I sewed the lining and the dress together. Many more steps happened that I did not tape. Bringing us to this point. I made some mistakes that I had to unpick. I also had to pull out all the tacking that was all over the dress. Unpicking is the gentle rhythm woven into the fabric of sewing. A quiet dance of patience and care. When you learn to welcome these moments of undoing, you unlock the magic that transforms simple stitches into art. It is in this embrace of imperfection that your creations shed their homemade wings and begin to sing with the refined grace of polished craftsmanship. Then, with gentle care, I sewed the places where I had stitches gone astray, and at last the moment arrived to trim the hem true and straight. But first, I had to battle Jaeger Edward,
Ja, ja, hoe moet ik werk as jy dit doen? Kom weg.
who contended with my final crisp line. That would frame the whole dress.
Hey. Jaeger. Jy moet jou oppas.
This dress isn't just fabric and thread. It's stitched with years of perseverance, quiet doubt, loud determination, and the kind of friendship that only grows stronger over time. It is a tribute to tenacity, to belief, to the kind of bond that lifts you higher, and to every woman who is still climbing. Your moment is coming, and when it does, it will be even more beautiful. Because you've never stopped believing.